No, no.
Is it letting us down right now? I'm gonna have to call Riley right now. Maybe they'll sponsor me. Still waiting for my work boots. Oh, they said we can go to their factory and drink. They were like, we have cornhole and it's every Thursday night at our Reading.
Redoing those zone valves? What are you doing? Just the only 2 zone?
Yeah. These ones are all single zone. They're just split loops though. So I ordered the zone valves just to have them. So if we...
It's up to you. I mean, I can't get the scoop off. How tight they get sometimes, kind of crazy. I think if I heat it, it'd be fine.
Yeah.
But I mean, it was
got
me. I wouldn't take it off.
too.
I'd put the new scoop on it.
Yep.
And just leave the valves
Which
where
is
they
fine.
are. Leave the valves where they are.
Does Joe have a dolly?
He definitely doesn't, I'm sure, in that tiny little thing of his.
Takes up the whole back seat.
Was a lot of water in it. Now, not so much water. Floats at the whole.
No, she's gonna gurgle. Look at the suds on there.
The suds. Daddy.
Like SpongeBob. Got the suds. You ever seen that episode?
Oh yeah, cool. What's going on here?
Yeah, no, you gotta say.
No.
So what's your name, sir?
Riley.
Riley. Okay, Riley. Are you sure that's your name? You don't seem so sure. You said it with a little bit of a stutter. Are you sure it's not Abe? I've heard the name Abe around here.
We don't talk about Abe.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll take that and get it out of my vocabulary then.
It's an alter ego, man.
So what kind of boilers are you installing here?
We're installing some Well McLean Gold Series, you know?
Oh, they're very cute.
Yeah, beautiful, very nice, you know?
Very
clean.
Very small.
You know, just ripping out the old, putting in some new, fucking slapping it in there, getting it done.
Yeah.
One way or another. You know?
Yeah, I see it. So what's that stuff right there?
Oh,
That looks like some Smurf juice or something.
Oh, definitely Smurf juice. I hear it's quite the process to get this stuff, actually. The milking is quite intense.
Oh, God. Must have to find the Smurfs first, too, right?
Yeah, and they're small, you know? It takes a lot to fill a can.
Oh, God. Stuff must be expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a Smurf on the front, even.
Oh, yeah. Huh? Beautiful. That's the face they make when they go.
Papa Smurf.
Papa Smurf.
Used to.
What?
Huh?
Used to. Not anymore. Oh, there's my bucket. That's right. You must have a 3/4. Mill it out to 3/4.
Right here.
Thank you. Thanks, bud.
Yep. Didn't do anything, but you're...
Hey, listen. I'm thankful.
Where? Fucked up your camera guy.
I think that was the time lapse. It's 10x.
Yeah. 10-10.
Why does this look not level? There you go.
That's it.
Yep.
Does that look right?
Yeah, that does look right. So I don't think that